Hari Om Bhaja Govindam, verse 11. Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Mudamate, Ma Kurudana Jana Yauvana Garvam, Aradini Meshat Kala Sarvam. Ma kurudana jana yauvana garvam haradini meshat kala sarvam maya mayamidam agilam bhutva maya mayamidam agilam bhutva brahmapadam tvam प्रविश विदित्वा ब्रह्मपदं त्वं प्रविश विदित्वा भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते. In this stanza, in Swami Chinmayanandaji's book, it is said, Maya Mayamidam Agilam Bhutva. In some of the texts, it is said, Maya Mayamidam Agilam Hitva. But both are giving the same meaning. So let us not worry about that. So, what are the things that makes a man proud or give ahankara? In that list, the first that comes is money. The word dhana. Ma kuru dhana. The dhana means possession. But all possessions are acquired only through money. The love for money is the root for all the evil causes. Man tries to earn money with a view to display his power or for outshining his equals in business, in employment, even among the brothers. I want to earn more and show that I am better than him. Love for money is the basic thing is one is insecurity. But instead of giving security, the more you have, the more insecure you become. Further, the man who possesses money, he will have tremendous ahankara. Everywhere he should be invited first. First row, he must be given a chair. Anywhere, any place. Slight insult. That's it. He will fume. Yeah, rich man is hardly disrespected. But we have seen the nature of Mahalakshmi. Mahalakshmi Mata will not stay in one place. She will always be moving like a river. With money comes all the relationships. That is the next thing. When you have money, then everybody will come to you. They will get attached with you. Like the pond that has water, which is surrounded by lush green trees, birds, animals, human beings. The man with wealth is always surrounded by relations. Man is also proud about relationships. It also gives one kind of security. King Gajendra, the elephant king, he was always surrounded with 1,000 elephants. Elephants always move in a group. It won't go alone. Wherever in the forest, if you see, it is a beautiful scene also. They move in a group. So King Gajendra had 1,000 elephants, 1,000 relations. So when he walks in the forest, all the animals, including lions and tigers, they used to run away for their life. He was proud about his relations. He thought nothing can happen to him. The Gajendra, the elephant king. Further, he was young and energetic. He had the strength of 100 elephants. So none of the elephants dared to challenge him. Elephant also there is fight. Animals also they fight to prove who is the king. But unfortunately, he went into a pond where there was a crocodile. All his relations, one by one, for some time they stood with him. Slowly they started moving. And he was all alone, fighting the battle of his life. Then realization dawned when nobody was there. He called Govinda. Govinda came, rushed to his help. He did not come for his help, rushed to his help. If I say this story, Gajendra Moksha, some people may not believe. These are all stories made to create bhakti. But there was one powerful politician. I don't name the politicians. If you are regularly reading newspapers, you can understand this. He had high level contacts with all the members of the party, of his party, even in the opposite parties. Highly respected fellow. He can meet any minister, any IAS officer at any time. Suddenly, one day he was caught by NIA, National Investigation Agency, on the ground that he was using his contacts and was involved in smuggling narcotics. Immediately, instantly, everyone in the party disowned him. All ministers invariably said, no, 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 I don't know him. There are many people who come and take photograph with me. So how will I know whether this fellow is a good fellow or a bad fellow? Many people are taking photos. So he was there. The party removed him from the preliminary membership. 100% Govinda will not come to his help. He has to suffer. He has to go to jail. But what happened to his high level contacts? In a minute, in a second, he lost everything. So, similarly, engage. Daily you are seeing in the mirror. Suddenly, one or two gray hairs. Suddenly, everything is white. Nowadays, even in the young age, 20, 30, people are having white hairs. So, with gray hair, you cannot judge the age of the people. So, what happens is, but everyone thinks he is a Markandeya. He thinks he will remain at sweet 16 forever. But from the moment we are born, everyone is slowly inching towards the old age and death. All the three, whether it is wealth, whether relations or young age, time will loot away all this in a moment. That is what Acharya says. Haradi nimeshat kala sarvam. Nimeshat. In a second, in a moment. They cannot give you permanent security. They cannot be the reason for ahankara. Anytime it will go. Anytime. With passage of time, everything is looted away. Bhagavan Krishna in Gita says, I am the timeless Kala. Millions of years. 3 generations back, how your grandfather lived, you don't know. He may have been a beggar on the street. Or he may be a king, the richest man. Now you may be leading a poor life. Who knows? Acharya says the world is a Maya world. We are all under the control of Maya. Maya mayamidam agilam bhutva. Everything is Maya, illusory. But everything in this Maya world, it has got tremendous attractive power. Normally, the gold color paper, it will glitter more than the real gold. In sunlight, if you see the gold color paper, those days the cigarette packets used to come with gold color paper or silver color paper. Sometimes it will be, the people would have thrown it and there could be slight sand on it. And when you see in the sunlight, it will look like as if gold. Similarly, the objects of this world, everything looks glittering. It is attractive. It attracts us. It takes us away from the truth. When you see the gold color paper glittering in the sunlight, do you take that paper and keep it in your pocket? The moment you realize it is only a paper, you throw it away. It is not a gold. Similarly, we all came in search of gold. That is Govinda. But on the way, we are seeing these gold color papers, glittering gold color papers, and we are fascinated by their appearance and going after them. The real gold Govinda is inside us. Acharya says, understand that Brahman and search for the real gold. Do not misunderstand Acharya. That is my view. Sir, what is this? How can I live without money? How can I cut my relations immediately? Can I tell my wife, get out, or my sons, go, or all my relations? Or what will happen to my engaged village? Can I start worrying from today onwards? No, no, one day I will become old. One day I will die. So today onwards, should I regret for that? No, no, Acharya is not saying that, according to me. Acharya only says, understand the ephemeral nature of the things you possess, whatever it is. It could be wealth, it could be relations, it could be your age, it could be your strength, whatever it is. Understand they are impermanent. The only thing which is permanent, which is changeless, is Bhagavan Govinda. Seek Govinda, seek the real gold instead of the useless things which are more attractive. Definitely, because Govinda nobody has seen. It will take a longer time. So Acharya says, remember all these things. They are impermanent. Seek the permanent. That is what Acharya says. Acharya is not saying, no, no, you quit your job immediately, leave your relations, and then become a sannyasi like me. It's understand life. If you understand the life, then you can lead a proper way of living the life. That is what Acharya says. That is what I understand. Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Mudamate, Makurudana Jana Yauvana Garvam, Haradini Mesha Kala Sarvam, Makurudana Jana Yauvana Garvam, Harati Nimeshat Kala Sarvam, Maya Mayamidam Agilam Bhutva, Maya Mayamidam Agilam Bhutva, Brahmapadam Tvam Pravisha Viditva, Brahmapadam Tvam Pravisha Viditva, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Mudamate. Next verse we will see tomorrow. Harihom Sarvam Krishnarpamastu. Hara Hara Shankara Jaya Jaya Shankara, 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 Hara Hara Shankara Jaya Jaya Shankara.